Here we go, doing a deep penetration test with HSM's bear loads. These are gas checked, they're 430 grain. Right there, y'all can read that or not if it's coming in. If not, it's just their bear ammunition, 45-7 Govt, plus P, 430 grain, lead round, flat nose, flat point, whatever, gas check. Box of 20, and it's got a picture of a bear and a bigger bear on the box. That bigger bear is going to eat that little bear. That's its snack. That's like a gummy bear to that bear. But there we go. And let's see what we can get out of that big chunk of lead. Whoosh. As you see, we went low and it chewed up the entire bottom, trucking right through. And then the next set back here hit and kicked it up. That's crazy. The bullet definitely, that's solid, going through solid wood still, right up to this point. So yeah, we'll try it one more time real quick. I'm going to reuse this block. Alright, see if we got anything better with that. Still shot that one low. I thought I was aiming a little higher, but oh well, that's the way it goes. We got a complete pass through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2x6s. And it's nothing tore up at the bottom, so it stayed in solid wood the whole time. We got a hit in a pair of jeans. Damn, it went through 2 pair of jeans. Holy hell. Well, that's interesting. It went through 2 pair of jeans, and all right, that was from the first shot. Right there. Here's the second one. We got entry going in, and apparently it decided to exit here, which is down here, which is out that.